There, hello everybody. So today in this video I'm going to discuss on text search using finite automata. So in this presentation we will be exploring the application of finite automata in text search. We will also be discussing the fundamental concepts of non-deterministic and deterministic finite automata. So which we also call it as NFA and DFA, and their role is efficient text searching. So now let's explore more on it. So now before that we need to know like what is a finite state machine. So a finite state automata is a mathematical model of computation that represents a machine with a finite number of states. It can transition between these states based on input symbols. So then we also got transitions. So the transitions between states are defined by a set of rules called the transition function. So each transition represents a change in the state of the machine in response to an output symbol. So this is what is called as the transitions. So now we also have non-deterministic finite automata. So let's explore it in deep. So we got multiple transitions, we got epsilon transitions, and we got acceptance. So NFA can have multiple transitions from a state for the same input symbol. This non-determinism also allows for flexibility in pattern matching and epsilon transitions. So NFAs can also have epsilon transitions, which are transitions that occur without reading any input symbol. This allows for more complex pattern recognition. Then we got acceptance. So an NFA accepts a string if there exists at least one path through the machine that leads to an accepting state. So now let us take a look on the NFA to DFA conversion. So power set construction. So this method creates a DFA from an NFA by forming states from the power set of NFA states. Then we also got as deterministic transitions. So each state in the DFA represents a set of NFA states, and the transitions are defined based on the possible transition from the NFA states in the set. Then we got the accepting state. So a DFA state is an accepting state if any of the NFA states in its set is an accepting state. So now we are having deterministic finite automata. So we are having a single transition here. So DFS have exactly one transition from each other state for every input symbol, ensuring a deterministic behavior. Then we have efficient search. Their deterministic nature makes them efficient for text search because they can process input symbols one by one and follow a single path through the machine. Simple implementation. DFAs are easier to implement than NFAs as they require less complex logic and data structures. Now let us take a look on the applications of text search using NFA and DFA. So we are having mainly the keyword search. So NFA and DFAs can be used to search for specific keywords in a large text document. Then we have pattern recognition. So they can use to detect and recognize complex patterns in text such as email addresses or phone numbers. Code analysis used in code editors and compilers for syntax highlighting and error detection. Advantages and limitations of NFA and DFA. NFA advantages: more expressive and can represent complex patterns using epsilon transitions. They can be more compact than DFAs for certain patterns. Then we got DFA advantages: deterministic behavior, efficient for text search, simpler implementation. They can be more efficient for some application, particularly those with large input sets. So now let us come to a conclusion and discuss some of the future directions of the NFAs and the DFAs. So we got some powerful tools, something like NFAs and DFAs provide some powerful tools for text search, pattern recognition, and also the code analysis. We also have efficiency and a versus complexity thing. So we need to choose between NFA and DFA. That depends on the complexity of the pattern and the need for efficiency in the applications. Then we also got some kind of advancement. So the field of automata theory continues to advance with new algorithms and techniques being developed for more efficient and robust text search solutions. So that's it in this today's video, guys. Hope so all of you understood the topic. So thank you for watching. Please do leave a like and also do subscribe. Thank you.